Hi, I'm Meeta Shetty, Fund Manager for Tata Digital India Fund. The IT sector has been one of the best performing sectors, with BSE IT index giving around 65% returns over the last 1 year and an excellent 1.5x return from the March 2020 lows. Though the sector saw a sharp drop in revenues in the post-pandemic months, the recovery was much faster and sharper. And this was due to acceleration on the digital spends. On the cost front too, we saw strong tailwinds, partly led by the pandemic. The IT sector has been at the forefront in this pandemic as it has allowed seamless functioning of businesses across industries. It has also accelerated digital spends on areas like cloud migration, digital transformation, and cybersecurity. With digital contributing to almost 40% for Indian IT companies' revenues, the growth visibility looks strong for the sector. On the cost front too, we are seeing companies to get structural tailwinds from cost optimization, higher offshoring, and lower attritions. On the valuations, though the sector is trading at higher than its long-term average, the growth outlook remains strong. Our fund is a core tech sector fund which invests in Indian and US listed companies. We have enabled our fund to invest in these overseas stocks so we could participate in businesses which are not listed in India. This should help us in participating in the transformation and the tech-led disruptions we are seeing globally, and it should also help us to get more diversification. As these sectoral funds are cyclical in nature, investors should have a minimum of 2 to 3 years investment horizon and an appropriate risk appetite. Given the sector has tremendous potential as the world is moving towards more digitization, our advice to investors would be to invest in this thematic fund to capture the sectoral tailwinds. Thank you and happy investing.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.